ત્યાં પોસ્ટ કરી દઉં. એક મિનિટ. Screen is open. Same problem. 7th we have completed half. So again we will complete this same. XZ, SA both are equal radii of same circle. Therefore, these are equal. Then this equal to this, particularly opposite. First we will write first equal to second, then second equal to third, third equal to fourth. First equal to second, why? Isosceles triangle. Second equal to third, why? Vertically opposite. Third equal to fourth, why? Isosceles. Therefore, first equal to fourth, and that is why it is that, like that, in a simple form. So first, in triangle AXZ, XA is equal to XZ, radii of same circle. Therefore, angle A congruent to angle XZA, where I have written 1 and 2, 1 equal to 2. Why? Isosceles triangle. Third, XZA congruent to BZY, vertically opposite angle. First equal to second here, second equal to third here, now third equal to fourth. In triangle BYZ, YB is equal to YZ, radii of same circle. Then this is equal to this, which angle BZY congruent to B. I have written this equal to this because isosceles. Now this equal to this, vertically opposite. This equal to this, again isosceles triangle. Therefore, this equal to this, this equal to this, this equal to this. So this and these are equal. Therefore, angle A congruent angle B from second, third, fifth. This equal to this, this equal to this, this equal to this. From that three relation, and that it is like this. This is A, this is B. So it is Z. Therefore, XA parallel to YB, converse of alternate angle. If alternate angles are congruent, lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, alternate angle are congruent. So in this way, within the 7th step, you can complete. Again, first equal to second isosceles, second equal to third vertically opposite, third equal to 4 isosceles. These two are congruent. Congruent, so parallel. Exactly same this, but diagram they have given slightly different. In small triangle, in small circle, S is the center. So XA is equal to XZ. Correct? So this angle equal to this angle. First equal to second. Now in full triangle, YZ is equal to YB. So this equal to this. So this is equal to this also. This is equal to this also. So these two are equal. Wait, I am in small triangle. It is in this triangle AXZ. In triangle AXZ, XA is equal to XZ, radii of say circle. Therefore, this equal to this, which angle Z congruent to angle XAZ, isosceles triangle. Now I will take big triangle YBZ. In triangle YBZ, BY is equal to ZY, radii of same circle. Therefore, this equal to this. Again Z, correct? Now upper one, YBZ, isosceles triangle. Correct. Z is equal to this. Z is equal to this. So both are equal. From second and fourth, we can write XZ, YBZ. Combined diagram. In this triangle, these two are equal, so these both are equal. In this triangle, this and these are equal, so this equal to this. So automatically this. Z is equal to A, Z is equal to B, so A and B are equal. Therefore, that you can see F. That you can see F. Now it is not alternate angle, it is corresponding angle. Therefore, BY parallel to AX. Converse of this is alternate, this is corresponding. Converse of corresponding. If two lines are parallel and one is intersecting, so this is a Z. So these two are equal. If parallel, these two are equal. If these two are equal, it is parallel. Exactly same. For F, Z means alternate. This is F. Corresponding, this and these are equal. So two very good example I have written, which I have to complete today. Now we will go for 9. Now ninth one.
So, sir, sir, unmute yourself.
Okay. Now line L. This is P, RSQ. This is O. RS is equal to 12. RS is equal to 12 centimeters. We have to find out radii. means OR is equal to how much? And they have given OQ is equal to PQ. Both are equal. Correct. First, this check AB. AB is perpendicular to OP. Tangent, radii, perpendicular theorem. This is 90. Given. Then RS parallel to AB. If one line is perpendicular to this, and these are parallel, so this is perpendicular to this also. So as per that, OP perpendicular to RS from first and second. Two lines are there. This line is perpendicular to this, but both are parallel, so it is perpendicular to next also. So it is perpendicular, and perpendicular on chord bisect the chord. Therefore, RQ is equal to QS is equal to RS by 2 is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6. Perpendicular on chord bisect chord. Perpendicular drawn on a chord bisect the chord. These are also equal. OQ is equal to QP is equal to X. Both are equal, that is given. 6. OP is equal to OR is equal to 2X. Radii of, if this is X, so this is 2X. 2X, so this is also 2X, correct? 2X, this is 6. Because total 12, so 6. 7th, therefore, in right angle triangle OQR, RO square, OQ square, QR square. So RO square is 2X total square. OQ is only X square. QR, that is only 6 square. 2 to the 4 X square. This comes this side, minus X square is equal to 36. So 3X square is equal to 36. Is equal to 36. So X square is equal to 36 by 3. So X square is equal to 12, 3 is 36. X square is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. So X is equal to 2 root 3. Make all the factors, it is a 2 power, so which are coming 2 in multiple, it comes out rest of under root. Again, these and these are parallel given. If it is perpendicular here, it is perpendicular here. And on a chord, when it is perpendicular, always it is a bisector. So these two total are 12. So this is 6. This is 6. This I have considered X because they have given both are equal. So total radii is 2X. So this is 2X. So this square is equal to this square plus this square. 2x square is equal to x square plus 6 square. Then I have simplified. So I got this. But radii is what? OP or OR. Radii is equal to OP, OR is equal to 2x. 2 times 2 root 3. So 4 root 3. Follow. Now directly calculation part we will complete. That is why sum number 15th. Three times different calculation. WTX YTZ. This is the sentence. Now, in that, WY, this one is 44. ZX 68. So we have to find ZTX. This we have to find. So measure angle ZTX. This is internal. So plus, correct, half major arc plus major arc. WY ZX. ZX half 44 68 100 112 by 2 100 half 50 12 half 6, that is why 56 degrees. This is 56 degrees. This is the first question. Under that, second question. Now I'll rub this much part only. Now, as per segment, WT 4.8, TX 8, YT 6.4, TZ question. So from intersection TW, TX, TY, TZ, this is given 4.8, this is given 8, this is given 6.4, this we have to find out. This will go down 48, 64 into 8 TZ. Decimal I have cancelled. 8 8 जा 8 6 जा, so TZ is equal to 6. One more question. Now again I will rub. Same diagram, 3 different calculations. First I have completed, second I have completed, now third. For that, WX 25, full on 25, Ty is 8. Ty is 8. Zx. Zx 27. Okay. Find Wt. This we have to find. Maybe some Wx 25, Yt 8. Again, I'll rub this. In bigger diagram. T Wz Yx. Now Wx 25, total 25. Yt 8. Zy total, that is 26. Correct. So Zy is equal to Yt plus Tz. 26, Yt is 8, Tz. 26 minus 8, Tz.